Alright guys, what's going on? I am back. It's Backrows Gaming for another Mix It Up bot tutorial to increase viewer retention and viewer interactivity. Now this, as along with my last video, which will be somewhere down here maybe? I don't know. It'll be here somewhere. You're going to have Mix It Up bot. You're going to need to be a Twitch affiliate or a Twitch partner. Assuming that all of that already applies to you, let's jump right into it. If not, go ahead and watch this first video, kind of give you the rundown of how to get it set up and give you the basics of what we're doing. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends.
Brawler, it's time!
Go away!
You are needed! Can we just skip to the part where you agree? Look, we kill the ice golem, then we stop for snacks.
Fine, I'll go change. Always on my day off.
Who's on your team? Raid. Play free now.
I need a real door.
You can click the link down in the description below to join me and the rest of the Backroads Gaming community here in Raid. Alright guys and girls, so here we go. Let's get started. We're back on our dashboard. We've already got the channel points active. We've already walked through how to set them up. So we're going to do it again. We're going to go ahead and add a new custom reward. From there, we are going to add the one that I've got called Angry Old Man. You can add, again, whatever name you want. This is going to be adding effects to go onto your stream. Now, in my case today, as you can see, the description is going to be make an angry old man dance on the screen. I do not have any reward icons, and it's going to cost 100. The redemption cooldown timer, it's set at 3. Let's go ahead and set it to off. I have changed the background color, so this is what it would look like right here if we were to go ahead and look at the points section when we try to redeem our channel points. So we'll hit save. Let's jump over to Mix It Up. Here we go. So this is going to be one where we're going to set this up from the beginning. So let's go ahead and add command to existing reward. We're going to add the Angry Old Man. Now, when we're working with different effects on a stream, you're going to want to start out a little differently than we did with the last video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in a wait. We're going to I can't words today. We're going to wait 1 second before we do anything. Now, the reason why you want to put the wait in there, and you can even go down to like half a second, but I like just 1 second is easier. You want to put that in to give the system from the bot a chance to talk to your broadcast software. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to find our broadcast software. So it says streaming software under actions, and we're going to add that. And we're actually going to add 2 of them, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Okay, so here we go. Under streaming software, you can leave this as default setting. However, because I utilize all 3, slobs, OBS, and XSplit, I go ahead and I change this from default to the software in question, so Streamlabs OBS. Under action, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to turn on and turn off a specific source. Now, if you don't know how to set up sources, you're going to want to check out one of my other videos that we've talked about that covers how to add these in. But assuming that you've already know how to do the sources, what we're going to do is we're going to go down and choose source visibility. The scene name. Now, this is not imperative. You do not have to put a scene name on there. So assuming that you use the same source on multiple scenes, you can leave that blank. But if you are going to use it on a specific scene, 2 things on here that are very, very, very important, and it will be the difference between working and not working. The scene name is case sensitive, and it must be spelled exactly like it is in your broadcast software. So I'm not going to put that on there because I use this particular source on multiple scenes. The source name, however, is one that has to be on there. Now, I mean, that's, that's pretty obvious. It's got to be on there if you want to turn the source on or off. But again, case sensitive, spelling must be exact. So in my case, it's angry old man. I can't spell. So what we want to do is we want to turn this source on. So white is off, blue is on. Now what we're going to do, again, we're going to go and we're going to do the same thing under the next one. OBS, source visibility, angry old man. But we want to make sure that this one is white. Now, quick little edit afterthought. You don't have to type all this in. You can simply just click duplicate. So we've got it all typed in. We hit duplicate. There we go. And then we just have to turn it off. Now, what this does, once this button plays, it'll wait for 1 second. It'll turn the old man on and then turn him right back off. But we don't want it to go off immediately. So what we'll do is we're going to add in one more wait. And you can click on these bars to minimize them. And let's wait for about 5 seconds. And then we'll left click and hold and move it to the middle. So now it's a wait, turn the old man on, wait for 5 seconds, turn the old man off, and then we're going to hit save. So now if we activate this and we click the button right here, because this is the one that's on, we hit play. There he is. There's the old man dancing right there on the stream for you guys. 5 seconds, he goes away, the source is disabled. That's how you activate a single source by using your channel points. So until next time, guys, we will catch you later. If you guys do have any questions, right now my work schedule has me streaming Wednesday through Sunday. My schedule will be in the link in the description below as well. If you want to hop over and hang out, twitch.tv/BackroadsGamingTV. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, if you found any sort of help or assistance from this, do me a favor. Smack that subscription button. Smack that notification bell. That way you get notified when my tutorials go live to help you out.